Year, so Happy New Year. This place is absolutely beautiful. It takes a little bit to get down here. The road is not too accessible, but it's not too broken down either. I'll give you guys a view here. It takes a little bit to get down here. If you do have a small car that's pretty low, you definitely want to take caution in trying to get back here.
Welcome back and Happy New Year. Today we're going on another crazy adventure out on the Narragansett Trail.
So a drop and a wooden bridge to start things off. Oh yeah. Nice. Wasn't as smooth as I wanted, but we made it. All right, so I got to get some of this in person for you guys. Norco's up there. We're going to be riding some of this really sick ledge today. It just came down from up there. As you guys just seen, this is a really kick-ass feature right here. It's a really sick rock roller right here. And then we're going to do that sick rock roller right there. There's some other ones in the background, but as you can tell, it's just a lot of brush and stuff to clear away, so maybe I can get that cleared and we'll try to film that for you guys also. But to put it in perspective, I'm up here, there's my feet, there's the actual ground down there. This is freaking amazing. All right, so now we're at the top of one of the big rock knolls. We just played around a little bit, did some cool features, and now we are way up here overlooking the swamp. And then we're going to carry on this way on this ledge. It's going to be pretty awesome. Beautiful view, beautiful day. This is awesome. Money. Had to hit the brakes and cut that one short because here's a cliff right there. I don't want to go down that cliff. It's pretty tall.
Epic mountain biker pose. Nah, just kidding.
Oop, cut myself on the tree. This looks steep. Oop, definitely almost hit that rock. That was super steep. Oh. I'm not as good as Danny McCaskill and some of the other guys out there. I'm still trying to learn the up portion of the rocks. It's easy to go down. It's a different story trying to get up everything. All right, nice. Nice, there we go, that feels good. Get that one. I think I know where this comes out. Good boy, tree started coming. It may be a little bit while longer. At least for the map, it says there's a waterfall. Yep, oh, there it is. Found it. Wow, look at that, huh? Check that out. Natural beauty. I think I've just found my lunch spot. Nice little easy uphill climb on the side of the pond. Get the old lungs going. I have no idea. We're still on trail. I don't know. I'm just kind of going with the flow right now. Woohoo! Yeah, that's pretty steep. I'd like to not roll down that. Slippery tree. Gets you every time. Whew. And here we are, down at the base. Have a nice cool waterfall, nice big open stream, and that is what we just came down. Pretty steep and really fun, a little hairy, but I wouldn't have it any other way. It's a lot of fun. Oh, that's the river. Not wanting to go in there. Not today. A little too cold for that. I've already done that enough this winter. Alright, well, if you've sat through the first section of this video, welcome to the payoff. Or what you're going to consider boring. Either of the two is fine. So, we're on the last leg of the journey here. And, this is the bike-a-bike on this last section here. Some of this is rideable, not all of it. I still have a couple miles left in this journey. I have to cross the river right here in between the ravines, so I'm trying to conserve some energy because I've already been out here for I don't remember how many miles and hours, so we're gonna conserve what energy I have and make our way along this ravine, hopefully not dumping myself and the bike down there. That still be to determine. Some of you watching this are probably going to be like, wow, this mofo's crazy. Yeah, slightly. I suppose you could say that. On the adventure. We got one life to live. Might as well make good use of it, right? Get out and enjoy the world. A lot of this stuff is right there in the backyard. Alright, well, it's now time for me to cross the river. So we're going to put this away and get across. Alright, should be, looks like that'll coming up towards the end of the trail here. Yep, there it is. So part of the journey up here is some old farm dirt road, and as I parked I realized, man, my truck smells like, and well, lo and behold, yeah, I rode through quite a bit of it apparently, and some of those mud holes did not wash it off. So looks like after today's trail ride we will be going to the car wash.